What's up, guys? It's me and Cleary here. This is his channel. I'm just here because
Beyblade. This is the Beyblade Burst Kings, or I have two channels, Beyblade Burst Kings and Beyblade Kings. Subscribe to both of them. I really want you to. It's gonna be
today we are doing Tornado Wyvron
versus
Cognite.
Cognite.
We'll be showing you what mode Cognite's in.
So it will be in. For this round, it will be in.
That's attack.
Stamina.
That's attack.
No, blue is stamina.
Blue is attack.
Blue is stamina.
Leave it in the comment section below. Is blue attack or is
blue
orange
stamina?
Attack?
And then
wait, which one do you think it is, Carlo?
Attack.
Carlo, which one do you think it is?
I said blue.
Yeah, because it is blue. Because he's the one that had the baby.
I even checked the box. It said blue is
Attack.
correct. Well, blue is attack and orange is stamina.
And we even figured out that.
Oh, Cleary. You know how on those picture on the thing when you get a Beyblade?
Yeah.
The checklist?
Yeah.
It shows blue as attack and orange as stamina.
Are you supposed to think the one that with the whip?
As you can see, they're just circling. Go for the attack now!
Two.
Tornado! Yeah! 1 point to Tornado Wyvron.
Wait, are we only
Next
doing
round.
gods? Are we only doing gods?
Now it's going to be in stamina.
You mean attack?
I mean stamina.
Attack.
Stamina.
Stamina.
So it's attack, stamina.
This dude doesn't know what he's talking about.
I do too know what I'm talking about.
He's the one that has it, so he knows.
Oh! Ready?
Wait, are you gonna show our faces?
No.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was a harsh attack. Hard, you mean?
Harsh.
Hard.
I know what I'm saying.
No?
I know what I mean.
Come on. First finish Tornado!
That's not gonna happen.
Later today, we might make another double upload. Just telling you, we might make a double upload.
How do you do it?
And we'll
So
probably do for that double upload Legend Spriggan versus maybe Siege Excalibur.
no, Spriggan Rock Room.
No, fine. Okay, so the Battle of the Gods. Okay.
We're done.
So,
subscribe, hit that like button, and also hit that
subscribe button.
subscribe button.
Leave a like.
Leave a like. This is Kyler.
Bye.
This is me.
Bye.
Hi.
Peace out.
Ha, ha, ha.